Hi, my name is Casey, and I am the director of the Golden Steps Fellowship Program. Here at Golden Steps, we truly value our RBTs as they serve one of the most, if not the most important role in ABA and providing services to our clients. They celebrate first words, small wins, and show up every day with empathy and compassion. For many of them, this role isn't the finish line. It's the spark to something bigger. We want to cultivate and enrich the future of our RBTs, who deserve a future just as meaningful as the work they do every day. That's why we've created a program designed to support, mentor, and shape RBTs as they grow into board-certified behavior analysts. Because at Golden Steps, we believe in quality therapy. We believe in making well-rounded analysts. Becoming a BCBA takes dedication, discipline, and courage. It takes long study nights, supervised fieldwork hours, and the willingness to keep learning, even years after you pass your boards. Our fellowship program surrounds our team members with the structure and support they need to succeed. Structured fieldwork support, extensive, unrestricted curriculum, collaborative supervision, and application-focused learning. You're never navigating it alone. We bridge the gap between your master's courses, concepts, and applying it directly to your clients every single day, helping future BCBAs apply the science to real-world situations. But this program is more than just a credential. It's about confidence. It's about leadership. It's about empowering clinicians to step into their voice, their authority, and their purpose as BCBAs. Some of our strongest leaders started exactly there, in your shoes. From your first session as an RBT to the day that you sign your name as a BCBA, Golden Steps is with you every step of the way, because your growth matters. Your goals matter, and your future in this field matters. At Golden Steps, we don't just build careers, we build people.